Hi, in this video I will show you how to choose and start workout using your SIGMA ROX cycling computer. To choose your workout, you need to open the menu by clicking top right button. Then you need to scroll down with plus button to the workout. Open it by clicking this button, and there you can choose any type of workout you want. For example, FTP test. Open it by clicking this button and start it with clicking it once again. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.